What's up, guys, and welcome back to Wake Up Entertainment. So there is chaos right now at MK Party, specifically at Mpumalanga, and some MK Party members are not attending meetings that are being called for by Busisiwe Mkhwebane. So Busisiwe Mkhwebane released a video where she was appealing with MK members to attend these meetings, because what is happening is that some of these MK Party members, they are telling other members not to attend MK Party meetings where Busisiwe Mkhwebane is being involved. This is what she said.
Namhla nge-11 zaka-January 2025 siyahlangana lapha e-AD Nkosi Combined School Bethal. Asizeni sonke nakube ulandela umkhonto wesizwe, uhlonipha unxamalala, uzakuza uzolalela umholi womkhonto wesizwe okhethwe ngunxamalala ne-National High Command. Siyezwa ukuthi ngathi kunabanye aba-threatena abanye ukuthi banga-attend. Ma-commanders asihlanganeni e-AD Nkosi.
Well, the chaos begins in that the Mpumalanga convener for MK Party is actually Mary Padi, and she won an appeal against Busisiwe Mkhwebane. Mary Padi had been removed over corruption charges by MK Party, so she went to court and she won that case, and she was brought back onto that post. But MK Party itself, it still views Busisiwe Mkhwebane as their convener. So this is where this chaos is coming from. There are these factions, the other one from Mary Padi and the other one with the Busisiwe Mkhwebane. So this is why Busisiwe Mkhwebane is now coming in and saying, if you respect Jacob Zuma and show your loyalty to Jacob Zuma, you must attend these meetings. But that is where one of these problems lie, in that members are now showing their loyalty to Jacob Zuma and attending these meetings instead of showing their loyalty to the party itself. So you can see that attending these meetings is not about party commitment, but about respecting Jacob Zuma. And that on its own, it's not a good thing going forward. Because if Jacob Zuma steps down, imagine, so what are these members going to do? They're going to show their respect and loyalty to who? To Jacob Zuma, who has stepped down. So this is the challenge that MK Party is facing at Mpumalanga. Mary Padi was reinstated as the convener. So Mkhwebane is more like kind of like defying the court's decision here by trying to call for these meetings, because she is not the convener of the MK Party at Mpumalanga there. So the best thing for MK Party to actually solve this problem, it might be to pick someone who is actually wanted by the community, instead of appointing someone to be the convener of the MK Party but is not wanted by the community. Because if you look at the past few days, it's actually MK Party who actually fired the likes of Sifiso Zuma for putting in a candidate who was actually not even preferred by the community, which made actually the MK Party to lose to the ANC. So they should actually use that rule that they used there and actually apply it in Mpumalanga, and it is definitely going to solve this problem.